Do you want to be able to activate your green dot card? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to do this. So as you can see, the first step is going to be for you to visit this site right here, greendot.com/activate, or select register/activate now in the Green Dot app. So if you have access to the Green Dot app and you're able to log into it, then you can also do it by selecting register and activate now. As you can see that section in here, you can even call them as well, as you can see, but you don't really have to do so if you don't want to. So what you're going to do now in step 2 is to enter all info requested, including personal info and card details, as you can see, and also your 3-digit on the back on your card, as you can see. So that is one thing that you need to do as well to be able to verify your card and activate it as well. So the step number 3, start using, as you can see, start using upon successful activation. So hopefully when you have come to step 3, this actually works for you. But if it doesn't, then you can also contact their customer support. As you can see, they do list that option for you as well. You can even click on that specifically. As you can see, it says click here to activate, having trouble, contact customer support. So basically, yeah, you can follow these steps right here, and hopefully after that you will be able to activate your Green Dot card. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.